Before we start, quick moment of silence for the bathroom break you thought you'd get today. Gone. Like my nap. Sorry about that. Hi, Dr. McBinky here, certified baby, board certified genius, expert in crying, falling over, and forming lifelong brain pathways before breakfast. Now listen up, big people, because this part is important and I don't repeat myself unless I feel like it. You think you're just teaching kids. Cute. Adorable, actually. But while you're thinking, did anyone wash the paintbrushes? I'm over here like, yes, my nervous system is being shaped permanently and forever. No pressure. See, when I was born, my brain was basically a squishy blob. No instructions, no roadmap, just vibes and milk. And then you showed up. And what happened? You did. Every time you picked me up when I cried, my brain wrote down, world equals safe. Every time you stayed calm when I lost my absolute mind over a block tower, my brain went, oh, so we don't have to panic every time life falls apart. Interesting. You didn't know it, but congratulations. You were writing chapter 1 of my life. Chapter 1 answers the big questions. Not like math questions, existential questions. Like, is the world safe? Do adults help me? Do my feelings matter? Am I allowed to try again when I mess up? Spoiler alert, if you're calm, I'm calm. If you freak out, I freak out. Science. Look it up. My brain doesn't learn from your words yet. It learns from your face, your tone, your vibes. So when I scream like a tiny fire alarm and you say, it's okay, I've got you, my brain goes, oh, so this is how humans handle stress. Filed away. Forever. You think I won't remember you? Correct. I will not remember your name, but my nervous system? Oh, she remembers everything. So welcome to chapter 1, the part of the story where you're not just a teacher. You're the person my brain uses as a blueprint for how the world works. No big deal, just shaping a human. Now buckle up, because once you realize how powerful you are, you can't unknow it. And trust me, I know things. McBinky out.